Curve Finance DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Curve Finance is a decentralized finance DeFi platform specializing in stablecoin trading and liquidity provision. It's designed for users who demand low slippage, competitive fees, and efficient trades between similarly valued assets like stablecoins or tokenized BTC. With its automated market maker AMM model, Curve optimizes for stability rather than speculation, making it a favorite among liquidity providers and traders looking for reliable returns or cost-effective swaps. One of Curve's standout features is its focus on low impermanent loss. By facilitating trades between assets of similar value, Curve minimizes the risk typically associated with providing liquidity in volatile pools. This is ideal for investors who prioritize preserving capital while still earning fees. Adding to this, Curve's gauge system incentivizes liquidity providers with its native governance token, CRV, which can be staked to earn additional rewards or used in governance votes, a great option for those who want active participation in shaping the platform's future. From a user perspective, the interface is functional but may feel daunting to newcomers due to its data-heavy design. However, once familiar, the platform offers clear insights into pool performance, trading fees, and rewards, which is crucial for making informed decisions. Curve also integrates seamlessly with other DeFi protocols like Yearn Finance and Convex, enabling users to stack yields or automate strategies for higher returns. Curve caters to both passive and active users. Passive investors can park stablecoins to earn consistent fees, while active traders benefit from low slippage swaps. In my experience, the platform shines for stablecoin liquidity provision, offering a reliable alternative to volatile crypto trades. However, its complexity and gas fees on Ethereum can be a hurdle for smaller investors, though this is mitigated by Curve's expansion to Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism. Overall, Curve Finance is a powerhouse in DeFi, built for serious users seeking efficiency, stability, and active participation in governance. Whether you're a trader or a liquidity provider, Curve has something unique to offer. However, ensure you're comfortable navigating its interface and understand the nuances of liquidity provisioning to maximize its potential. For me, the rewards have been worth the effort, making it a cornerstone of my DeFi strategy.